Hello, little explorers! Are you ready for a big adventure? Today, we are going to meet 25 amazing land mammals. These animals live all over the world, from the hot desert to the cold mountains. Grab your binoculars and let's go! Look, a giant elephant. It has a very long trunk. Can you pretend your arm is a trunk? Great job! They use it to drink and splash water. The lion is the king of the jungle. Look at his fluffy mane. Let's hear your loudest roar. Roar! Wow, you're so brave! The giraffe is so tall. Its neck is longer than your bed. Can you reach up high like a giraffe? High, high, high. Check out those stripes! That's a tiger. No two tigers have the same stripes. They are masters of hide and seek in the grass. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. The monkey is swinging. Did you know they use their tails like an extra hand? Swing your arms with me. Zebra. The zebra is wearing black and white pajamas. They stay in big groups to keep each other safe. Look at them run. A big fuzzy bear. Some bears love to catch fish in the river. Can you pretend to catch a fish? Munch, munch, munch. Rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. The rabbit has very long ears to hear everything. Can you make bunny ears with your fingers? Boing! Kangaroo. Down under in Australia, we find the kangaroo. She has a cozy pocket called a pouch. Is there a baby Joey inside? Yes! Panda. The panda is a black and white bear who loves snacks. They eat bamboo all day long. Crunchy, crunchy, yummy! Hippo. The hippo is very round and loves the water. Watch out! They can open their mouths really, really wide. Say ah! Rhino. The rhino is very strong and has a horn on its nose. It's like a built-in helmet. Don't worry, they are gentle giants. Phew! That's 12 animals. Let's take a quick wiggle break. Shake your hands, shake your head. Okay, ready for more? Let's go. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest runner on Earth. On your marks, get set, run! You're fast, but the cheetah is faster. Horse. Horses are strong and fast. They can even sleep while standing up. Can you stand very still like a horse? Cow. Moo. The cow gives us milk and loves to chew grass. They spend almost all day eating. Munch, munch, munch. Dog. Woof woof. A dog is a human's best friend. They wag their tails when they are happy. Can you wag your hand like a tail? Cat. Meow. Cats are soft and love to nap. When they are happy, they go purr, purr, purr. Can you make a soft purring sound? Shh, the deer is very quiet. Look at the daddy deer's antlers. They look like branches on a tree. So pretty. The clever fox has a big, bushy tail. They have amazing ears that can hear a mouse squeak from far away. Squeak! The wolf lives with its family in a pack. At night, they love to sing. Let's howl together. Awoo! Gorilla. The gorilla is very big and smart. They communicate with their hands. Can you thump your chest like a gorilla? Thump, thump. The camel lives in the hot, sandy desert. Those humps on their back help them travel for a long time without needing a drink. Pig. Oink, oink. Pigs are very smart and love to stay cool by rolling in the mud. Splash! It's like a muddy bath. Sheep. Bah! The sheep is covered in thick, fluffy wool. It's so soft, just like your favorite blanket or sweater. And finally, the sloth. They move very slowly. Can you move your arms in slow motion? Wow! We met 25 amazing friends today. You did a great job exploring with me. Which animal was your favorite? Tell someone next to you. See you on our next adventure. Bye-bye. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures and share this with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.